how many of you Troubies have come here to the tower to watch Lady Bird this year? Or even shared a romantic encounter here at McKinley Rose Garden. Before Lady Bird, this was just a pretty blue house on 44th Street. Please join us at St. Francis High School for the Red Carpet Award Show Party on Sunday, March 4th to celebrate Greta Gerwig and the success of Lady Bird. Lady Bird is nominated for 5 Oscars: Best Picture, Best Actress, Best Supporting Actress, Best Original Screenplay, and Best Director, with Gerwig being the 5th female to ever be nominated for that award. The attire is an old thrift dress, an old prom dress,